In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook ad payment failed or card declined 5 minutes. If your Facebook ads aren't spending because a payment failed or your card was declined, the quickest fix is to review your billing setup and add a reliable payment method. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to check so your campaigns can resume without interruptions. Start by opening Facebook Ads Manager. This is where all your ad account settings live, including billing. Once you're in, head to Settings. Think of this as your control center for account details, permissions, and payments. From Settings, go to Billing and Payments. Here you'll see your invoices, spending, and any outstanding balance. If you see a declined or failed charge, don't worry. We're about to resolve it by updating the payment method on file. Open Payment Methods. This page lists the cards or accounts currently attached to your ad account. If an old or expired card is set as primary, it can cause declines. We'll add a fresh method, so Facebook has something valid to charge. Click Add Business Payment Method. This tells Meta you're adding a new way to pay for your ads. Choose your country and currency carefully. Use the currency that matches your invoices and your banking setup. Changing currency later can be difficult and may require creating a new ad account, so pick the one you actually transact in. Click Next to continue. Now you'll be asked for your card details. Enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing address exactly as it appears with your bank. Accuracy matters here. Mismatched addresses or names are common reasons for declines. If your bank uses 2-factor or 3D secure, be ready to approve a verification prompt. Click Save. Facebook will add the card and in many cases immediately try to collect any outstanding balance. After saving, make sure the new card is marked as your primary payment method, especially if another card on the list is expired. If you still see a decline, double check that your bank allows online and international transactions, that sufficient funds or credit are available, and that any fraud alerts are cleared. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep only active, valid methods on file to avoid confusion. Ensure your business information and tax details match your billing profile, and avoid changing currency mid-flight. If problems persist, contact your bank to lift any blocks or add a different supported card. With these steps, your payment issues should be resolved and your ads should resume spending smoothly.